Okay guys, welcome back. So what you have to do is to open your browser and then you type in synthesia.io synthesia.io and then you wait for it to load. Now you can see it has loaded. Okay, so this is it. Check the front page very well. Okay, the home page very well. You can see Amazon, Google, all of them, they have been using it. Okay, so you just have to tap on create video, then you wait for it to take it, so that it will take you to the next page. Okay, yes, then you select one of the templates. So let me select this man over here, the Rockstar. Let me select Rockstar. Okay, so you just have to select one of the templates, but you can choose any of them. Okay, the one that you prefer, any of them works better. Okay, so let me choose Rockstar, and then they edit your video script. So you just have to enter your text over here, and then you tap on the continue button. Okay, yes, so I've finished entered my text. I don't want this video to be very long, that's why. Okay, so I have to tap on the continue, and then it will take you to the next page. You have to enter your credentials, I mean your first name, your last name, your email. Okay, they will send, is it when your video is ready, they will send it to your email. Okay, yes, so let me enter my email. So I just have to enter my email, and then I'll just tap on generate. Okay, sorry, you have to you say select where, how you hear about us. So I saw it on YouTube, then select I'm not a robot. Okay, then you tap on you take this box, says I confirm that I have. Okay, then you tap on the continue page over there. It will take you to the next page. It says we are generating your video. Your video will be sent to your email within a few minutes. Okay, say yo, so if you I just open my email. Now you can see say your AI video, we are on it. So you just have to wait for a while. Okay, yes. Wow, please, if you're enjoying this video,
a few moments later.
So now a few moments later, I just received the email. It took about something less than 5 minutes. So now the video is ready. So you just have to tap on it, and then you can see it is talking over here. Yes, that's the video. And guys, the trick here is that you can download the video, but you can share it with your friends and others as well. Okay, that's on Facebook, Twitter, and also you can embed it on your website as well, LinkedIn, all of those stuff. So what I recommend is that you use X Recorder. It's a very good screen recording app to record the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.